guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to tell you about herbs that grow well in pots. There's nothing better than fresh herbs to make a simple salad or dish come alive. Simple and fresh is delicious, and the great thing about herbs is you don't always need to plant them directly into your garden. Instead, using pots allows you to move them around your patio and garden and bring them in during cold snaps. First up is mint. It's a huge favorite. Use it to flavor your tea or ice water, or throw it on cucumbers for a great low-calorie, refreshing side dish. If you plant mint in an outside garden, plant them around basil, dill, tomatoes, and potatoes. Its powerful smell will keep the bugs away. Mint is hardy and has the ability to take over a garden. Therefore, always make sure it has plenty of room so it doesn't squeeze other plants out. And when planting mint in pots, it is best to plant them alone. Basil is another great herb that is versatile in the kitchen and on the grill. It grows easily in pots and loves full morning sun, but may need some shade in the hot part of the day. You can put it in your garden patio or even your kitchen window. Basil works well with pepper plants as well as marigolds and other herbs like tarragon and oregano. A quick tip on growing basil: don't let basil bloom. You will ruin the taste. Instead, as soon as you see a bud, snip it off before it flowers. The aroma of rosemary is enough to liven up any garden, patio, or food dish. With proper care, a rosemary plant can last up to 30 years. If you live in zones 7 through 10 and wish to plant rosemary in your garden, it should come back each year. For those of you in colder climates, you may want to opt for a pot so you can bring it inside when the temperatures dip below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. You can plant other plants such as marigolds and lavender in the pot as well. Cilantro is a love it or leave it herb and a staple in salsas and soups. It requires about 6 hours of direct sunlight a day and can tolerate heat until the temperatures rise above 80 degrees. Then it begins to wilt. That's when planting them in pots comes in handy. Just make sure to choose a pot deep enough to hold the roots, about 12 inches deep. And like other herbs, it can grow both in pots or in the garden. If you want to plant your cilantro with other plants, you can use basil or parsley. Tarragon is another great herb that does well in pots. It grows best in hardiness zones 4 through 9. Its strong licorice taste pairs well with chicken, eggs, and salmon, as well as vegetables such as carrots and asparagus. Tarragon needs 6 hours of light per day and grows best in sun to partial shade. Tarragon will happily share a pot with parsley, cilantro, or basil. If you like the idea of placing herbs in your garden, whether planting them or placing them in pots, you are opening your kitchen to a variety of fresh, healthy ingredients that will make your dishes memorable. If you have any other backyard questions, click the link below to some of our other videos. We've supplied links below to some of our mentioned products, and don't forget to like and subscribe.